Power used to be loud, but what happens when silence becomes faster? Tonight we uncover a machine that might redefine what performance truly means. For decades, the E-Class has been the quiet authority of the road. Not the loudest, not the flashiest, but always the standard. From autobahns in Germany to highways across America, it carried executives, families, and visionaries alike. Then came AMG, turning refinement into controlled aggression. And now, something has changed, because the world is changing. And Mercedes didn't just adapt, they evolved. This is the 2026 Mercedes-AMG E53 hybrid wagon. Not just a car, a statement, a machine that carries legacy and challenges it. The silhouette stretches long, elegant, yet undeniably aggressive. And for the first time, power doesn't scream. The design doesn't beg for attention, it commands it. The Panamericana grille stands wider, a signature of dominance. Sharper LED eyes cut through the dark, like intent, not decoration. Compared to its predecessor, this isn't just evolution, it's precision. Every line serves a purpose, every curve engineered, but the real transformation is hidden beneath the surface. Underneath lies a new philosophy of power, a turbocharged inline-six engine paired with an electric motor. Not to replace performance, but to redefine it. Instant torque fills the silence. Acceleration feels inevitable. No delay, no hesitation. 3 systems work in harmony: intelligent hybrid boost, adaptive suspension, and a predictive drive system that thinks ahead of you. Old problem? Turbo lag. New reality? Gone. Old compromise? Efficiency versus power. Now, you get both. But power is nothing if you don't feel in control. Step inside, and the world fades away. This isn't just a cabin, it's an environment. A digital cockpit stretches across your vision, seamless, responsive, alive. Ambient lighting adapts to your mood, or creates one. The seats don't just hold you, they understand you. Luxury here isn't excess, it's intelligence. But the question remains, does all of this actually matter on the road? In a world shifting toward electrification, this car stands in the middle. Not fully electric, not fully traditional, and that's exactly why it matters. Against rivals like the BMW M5 Touring and the Audi RS6 Avant, the E53 hybrid doesn't try to outmuscle them. It outthinks them. This isn't about brute force anymore. It's about balance. Or just the beginning? Pendekam. The future doesn't arrive loud anymore. It arrives quietly. The E53 hybrid wagon doesn't replace the past. It translates it from power to precision. So the real question is this the future or just the beginning? What do you think? Does the E53 redefine performance or refine it? Drop your take below. Subscribe to Carsnouva for deeper car stories.